was supposed to handle him. No, he must be...
We aren't gonna last long unless we do something about him.
Of course.
I'm trying to fight here. You out of your mind?
Yes. Miss Cherry Bomb, I love you. Remember me.
That was kind of hot.
Eggs. Activate thrusters and charge the death ray. Yes, sir.
Pinches?
Hey, crazy mother...
Target in range. Fire. What? Yeah, that could have been ugly.
You did good, buddy.
No.
Charlie, I'm so sorry.
Razzle! Dazzle! Let's ride! Some forward! Go, Razzle, go!
Oh, look who thinks they're bad now.
The traitor came to die.
Before I take your life, I'm going to tear that other eye out of your face. Try it.
Risking your immortal life for sinners? That's some crazy even for Lucifer's brat.
These sinners are my family.
These sinners are my family. Do you even hear yourself? You should have stayed in your place, girlie.
That's Princess of Hell to you, pig.
The f that hurts!
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
So, I'll spare you the pain of seeing your demon die. Do it then. Correct your mistake.
Seriously, you're pathetic, you know that? Ready to die rather than accepting mercy? No. Live. Live knowing that you only do because I let you. A failure.
This fight was cute and all, but it's time to die with the rest of them.
Charlie!
Sorry I wasn't here sooner, sweetie.
Okay, seriously, how many of you freaks do I have to fight?
Oh, I'm the only one that matters. See, you messed with my daughter, and now
Well, this just got interesting.
It's you up, Dad.
Wait, what was that? So this is what you've been up to since Eden? Gotta say, you really let yourself go, buddy.
You judging me? You're the most hated being in all of creation.
Well, your first wife didn't seem to hate what I had to offer. For the second,
And you!
Whoa, miss me! Not even close. Nice try, douchebag.
Hold still, you slippery
I got you.
Dad, look out!
Huh?